To send money from Pakistan to Wise, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to create a Wise account if you do not already have one. Go to the Wise website and click on Sign Up. Then enter your email address and password to create your account. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Wise. Next, you need to add the recipient's details. The recipient is the person you want to send money to. Add their name, email address, and the currency they want to receive the money in. You also need to add the purpose of the transfer, which can be, for example, sending money to a friend or family member. Now you need to add your funding source. Wise allows you to fund your transfer using a bank transfer or other payment methods. Select your funding source and enter the amount you want to transfer. Wise will then show you the exchange rate and the fees for the transfer. After that, you need to review the transfer details. Make sure the recipient's details, the funding source, and the amount are all correct. You also need to make sure you have enough money in your funding source to cover the transfer amount. Once you have reviewed the transfer details, you can confirm the transfer. Wise will then process the transfer and send the money to the recipient. You will receive an email once the transfer is complete. It is also important to note that Wise has a daily transfer limit and you may need to verify your identity before you can make a transfer. You can do this by uploading a copy of your ID to the Wise website. Wise also has a customer support team that can help you with any issues you may have with your transfer. In terms of fees, Wise charges a small fee for each transfer, which is typically a percentage of the transfer amount. The fees vary depending on the currency and the funding source you use. However, Wise is generally cheaper than traditional banks and other money transfer services. Overall, sending money from Pakistan to Wise is a straightforward process that can be completed online. By following these steps and using Wise, you can send money quickly and securely to anyone in the world.